Welcome to this library lesson for Professor Kit Jenkins' Keys course, Food for Thought. I am Marianne Irwin, your librarian for this course. In this short video, we discuss what is an academic source, specifically peer-reviewed journal articles, and that library databases versus Google Scholar are the most efficient ways to find these. Academic sources include journal articles, books from academic publishers, and reports from research institutes. These sources are written by professors and scholars, experts in a particular discipline. Journal articles are often peer-reviewed by other experts before publication. The safest way to determine if a source is academic is to check the author's credentials and that it has a detailed reference list of the sources that the author consulted in writing it. You may be asking, can I find academic sources on Google or Google Scholar? The problem with these search engines is that there is no human oversight in their production. Even Google Scholar, the academic version of Google, has no peer review. You have to evaluate the expertise of the authors and the source's quality. Although you may search for free, you will likely hit a paywall when trying to access some articles. To provide an easier way for you to find academic sources, the library pays for subscription databases that provide access to expertly curated collections of recognized publications. The databases allow you to limit to peer-reviewed journal articles and often link you to the full text of articles and ebooks for free. The difference between library databases and Google Scholar is analogous to the difference between Netflix and YouTube. Your Netflix subscription provides access to thousands of professionally produced TV shows and movies. On YouTube, anyone may post videos, and the quality varies from very good to very poor. Next, here are some library terms that are used in this video. The library's catalog is the database and search interface for finding items such as books and ebooks that the library owns. Databases are subscription, that is, not owned, collections of sources arranged by subject, for example, the environment, health, or social sciences, or by format, for example, periodical articles or ebooks. These are pre-selected by academic publishers. Scholarly peer-reviewed journal articles report research and theory in a discipline. Peer-reviewed means articles are evaluated for reliability, accuracy, authority, and purpose by other experts. Your instructors may require these in your papers so that you learn the scholarship of your discipline. So finding these is the focus of another video in this series. Research guides are Webster University Library and curated list of resources for a program or major, course, or topic. These are a good place to start your research because they help you to find appropriate databases, search tips, and your subject or course librarian. Periodicals are sources that are published at regular intervals over a period of time, much like episodes in a TV series. At one end of the continuum are scholarly academic journals. At the other end are popular magazines and general newspapers, which are written by journalists for people looking for entertainment or news about current events. Pictured here is a journal called Agriculture and Human Values. Notice that the article is mostly text and contains no pictures. This 12-page article includes almost 2 pages of references, which cite where the author got the foundational knowledge upon which she is basing her research. The article also includes the author's credentials, where she teaches and other academic titles that she has written. Please note, an in-depth reference list is the #1 indicator that you are looking at an academic book or a peer-reviewed journal article. Pictured here is a 3-page article from a magazine called Policy and Practice. The text is much easier to read, and the article contains pictures and advertisements. In magazines, you might find statistics, clues about what aspects of a topic are of current interest, and possibly reputable websites that may provide additional information on your topic. In another video, we'll explore how to search a database for finding academic sources on a topic related to your KEYS course.